Get the best in wireless door automation technology for your home with INMOTION. Our wireless solution is easy to install. It doesn't require any rewiring or a Wi-Fi interface. INMOTION is perfect for adding automation to a remodel and is a snap for new construction. Utilizing the 900 MHz frequency, INMOTION Wireless operates free and clear of other wireless systems in the home. That means you don't have to worry about conflicts with Wi-Fi networks or devices that rely on Bluetooth or Z-Wave technology. Our wireless solution has the industry's leading range, over 300 feet, easily and safely passing through building materials and multiple obstructions. Only INMOTION Wireless gives you an amazing experience from anywhere in your home. INMOTION Wireless technology is designed with low power requirements, meaning you don't need any special wiring or power supplies. Get the peace of mind that only INMOTION provides. We combine frequency hopping with digital encryption to deliver industry-leading protected communications. This makes our wireless solution resistant to malicious attacks and your home safe and secure. INMOTION is the market leader in wireless door automation. Our unique technology has undergone rigorous lab testing, extensive third-party verification, and we've got thousands of hours of trouble-free operation in homes across the country. INMOTION Wireless is proven and reliable. Learn more about our leading wireless solutions and how INMOTION can make your new home, remodel, or next project automatically more beautiful. Visit www.inmotion.company or call us at 800-426-7113.